Living with diabetes and kidney issues doesn't mean giving up on delicious food. You just need the right meal choices. Simple, tasty, and safe. Today, we're sharing 9 low-carb meals that support blood sugar control and protect your kidneys. Let's begin. Start your day with these healthy and energizing breakfast options. One, egg white veggie omelette. A light omelette made with egg whites, zucchini, cabbage, and red bell peppers. It's rich in protein and low in phosphorus, perfect for kidney health. Two, chia pudding. Made by soaking chia seeds in unsweetened almond milk. Top with a few blueberries for natural sweetness and fiber. Three, tofu scramble with spinach. A plant-based option seasoned with turmeric. It's anti-inflammatory and low in carbs. Keep your midday meals light and supportive of your health. Four, grilled chicken salad. Grilled skinless chicken breasts served with lettuce, cucumber, and bell peppers. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon instead of heavy dressings. Five, cauliflower rice bowl. Cauliflower rice paired with steamed cabbage, zucchini, and a poached egg. A satisfying alternative to high-carb white rice. Six, salmon with cabbage slaw. Grilled salmon served with a fresh slaw of cabbage and vinegar. It's heart-healthy and rich in omega-3s. These dinner meals are filling, flavorful, and kidney-safe. Seven, baked tofu with stir-fried veggies. Oven-baked tofu served with stir-fried bell peppers and green beans. Serve it over shirataki noodles or cauliflower rice. Eight, lettuce wraps with ground chicken and eggplant ground chicken and sautéed eggplant wrapped in fresh lettuce leaves. A crunchy, satisfying meal with no carbs from bread. Nine, grilled tilapia with cucumber salad. Tilapia is a light, low-fat fish. Serve it with cucumber slices, olive oil, and lemon for a refreshing end to your day. Here are healthy low-carb snacks you can enjoy between meals. Hard-boiled egg whites, a handful of fresh berries, cucumber slices with low-sodium hummus, ground flaxseed mixed into unsweetened yogurt, Choosing the right food is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. These low-carb meals can help you manage your diabetes and protect your kidneys without giving up flavor. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more healthy tips, and share this with someone you care about. Stay strong and eat smart.